Hello friends, I Narendra Singh welcome you. I am not a SEBI registered analyst and just sharing my views here. Before buying or selling any security in stock market, kindly consult your financial advisor. Let's learn together and earn together. Today we are talking about bullish Harami cross candlestick pattern, and it is a bullish candlestick pattern and it reverses the price and take it in the upward direction. Today in this video we will see what this pattern is, why this pattern is formed, where is it formed, and how to trade in its volume and an example. In first, let's see what this pattern is. The first candle of this pattern is a strong big bearish candle and the next candle is a doji. And this doji can be anywhere within the range of red candle. It can be either near the bottom or near the middle or near the top of the red candle. Such kind of pattern can also be considered as bullish Harami cross candlestick pattern, in which all the upcoming candles are within the range of red candle. One can trade this pattern in hourly, daily or weekly time frame, but mostly on daily time frame it gives best result. Take care that on one side bullish Harami cross brings the price up, just opposite to this bearish Harami cross brings price down, and these both looks like same on chart. Let's see why this pattern is formed. Whenever any stock is in downtrend and at one time the short positions will be squared off completely, and because of negative trend of the stock price goes further down and makes a strong red bearish candle. Now as the price has fallen a lot, so new traders try to make buy position here, and because of this the next candle becomes a doji type of candle because of pressure of both buyers and sellers, and there becomes a possibility that price may go up. Now let's see where this pattern is formed. As it is a bullish reversal pattern, so after a downtrend at a support level this bullish Harami cross pattern is formed, and it is a good signal of trend reversal. Let's see how to trade it. As after the price comes down and it is near any support zone and price forms bullish Harami cross pattern, then one can plan a buy position here, and if next day with a gap up a green candle emerges and price does not come down, then you can buy here also and put a stop loss at the low of bullish Harami cross pattern, and as the price goes up one can book the profit. Make sure the lower wick of red candle should not be too long, otherwise you have to put a big stop loss. Let's talk about its volume. Whenever you see this pattern on chart, you will see doji has more volume than red candle, and it shows a conviction that price should go up now. But sometimes doji has less volume than red one. In such cases one must take a wise decision. Let's see an example. In this chart on 12 December 2009 bullish Harami cross pattern is formed, and it took price in upward direction and came down to the same level, and again on 27 January 2000 at same support level this pattern is formed again and took the price up. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.